In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, and remove menu items in Shopify. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account, then head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage everything related to your store. From here, we're going to work with the navigation menus that appear on your live site. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, click on the Content option. This is where Shopify groups things like menus and other content-related tools. Once that page opens, look for the section labeled Menus and click on it. This will show you a list of all the menus your store is currently using. You'll typically see at least two important menus, the main menu and the footer menu. Let's start with the main menu, which controls the links at the top of your store. Click on Main Menu to open it. Inside the main menu, you'll see all the existing items that are currently visible in your store's top navigation. To add a new one, click on Add Menu Item. A small form will appear. In the name field, type the label you want customers to see at the top of your site. For example, Shop, Blog, or About Us. Try to keep names short and clear so visitors immediately understand where the link goes. Below that, you'll see a field for the link. Click in the empty link field, and Shopify will let you choose where this menu item should send customers. You can link to a specific product, collection, page, blog, or even an external URL. To quickly find what you need, click on Search and type part of the page or product name, then select the correct result. If you want to add more menu items, simply repeat the same process. Click Add Menu Item, give it a name, choose a link, and confirm. You can also drag and drop items to reorder them if needed. When you're happy with your changes, click Save. Your online store's main navigation will update to reflect these new or edited menu items. Now let's update the footer links. At the top of the page, click the small content icon or breadcrumb that takes you back to your list of menus. From there, click on Footer Menu. Just like before, click Add Menu Item, type the name for this footer link, such as FAQ or Contact Us, then link it to the correct page. When everything looks good, click Save again. That's all you need to add, edit, and organize your Shopify menus so customers can easily navigate your store.